Welcome back to another video. On our last one, we went about seeing how you can install WordPress plugins. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall those plugins you'll no longer be needing. So to do this, you'll need to first of all choose the WordPress plugin you no longer need, and then first click on the deactivate button. First of all, deactivate it before you delete it. Okay. Like with that one, we've just deactivated it, so now it's ready for deletion. So just click on delete button, confirm, and the plugin will be deleted permanently. So as you've seen, the plugin has just been deleted. Now usually there are some plugins, for some reasons they become stubborn, like they just don't wanna delete once you've deactivated them, and then they'll tell you something along the lines of you can't delete a plugin that is still active on your main site. So to go about uninstalling such WordPress plugins, you'll have to actually do it forcefully through the cPanel, but since we've got our very handy WordPress file manager over here, we are going to go to that plugins folder. And since it can't be, you can't go about deactivating it. The first time you are deactivate it and you try to delete it, it will say you can't do it, and then any subsequent deactivations won't do much. So to go about doing this, that's why you need to go to your cPanel, to your root folder, that is to your plugins folder, and then what you'll need to do is just rename. Once you rename that, the folder, it will uninstall automatically. It will, that is deactivate. It won't uninstall, it will just deactivate, and then from then on you just delete it. So like for this, for instance, the WordPress tab widget, we just add say 1, and then as you can see, it has been renamed. Now when we go to the installed plugin section, you'll find that it has been deactivated automatically, because there is no such plugin with that name. As you can see, the plugin WordPress tab widget has been deactivated due to an error and all that, so it doesn't exist. So that's how you'll be going about deleting those stubborn plugins, and then you simply just click on delete, and then it will this time around delete successfully. So that is the second way to go about deleting or uninstalling WordPress plugins that prove stubborn. I hope our today's video was valuable to you, and if so, find it in your heart to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Until next time, stay blessed.